Imagine you're a manager and you have to choose from 100 new ideas for improvement of customer satisfaction. Or you have to plan your sales for the next year, or the appropriate deadlines for some project. So what you have now on the market helps you do your decision. You have communication tools like polls or presentations, or you have forecasting tools like quantitative methods or expert methods like Delphi or brainstorming. But all of this stuff are either slow or not so accurate or too expensive. So here we come. We're going to set up a prediction market within your company where all of your employees are going to trade with some business issues with play money. Like in Betfair, is it Manchester going to win or not? But the questions are going to be more like, are we going to meet our sales goals for the next quarter year? And from the price of this stuff on the market, we can extract some value